Welcome to Apex Hydropneumatic, your one-stop solution for all hydraulic needs. Our company was established in 1995 and we are providing wide range of hydraulic equipments with the required precision. Our organization comprises products like hydraulic cylinder, hydraulic power pack, hydraulic force feed lubricator, hydraulic pallet pump, hydraulic stacker pump, hydraulic jack, hydraulic foot pump, hydraulic hand pump, material handling equipments, etc. With the help of experienced and enthusiastic designing team, every product is first drawn in the 3D designing software for checking the actual movement and working of the product, which gives an exact idea that how those products are going to perform in the real world. Then equipment is checked for strength, stress, point of failure, etc. in material analysis software. This helps to reduce the chance of breakdown and to offer safe operations for the customers. Some examples of our applications are aerial work platform, aerospace industries, automotive, cranes, earth moving, fire and rescue, harbor cranes, ceramics and textile industries, pharmaceutical industries, gas and hydropower plant, heavy industries, and many more, which can be found on our website. We have achieved the success in this area in proficient way. Each and every component is made with the high-end precision and great amount of skills. With the help of latest machinery backed by skilled technicians, the company has been able to ensure that only high-quality product reaches to our valued customers. We are also known for taking care of all our clients equally and with the same dedication and professionalism. Whatever your needs be, we are there to help you and also offer urgent services as well. We manufacture customized products to suit all your requirements and needs. We are looking forward to serving you in the best possible way and keep trying to improve ourselves for better productivity of clients' businesses. If you have any other queries regarding our services or need any other kind of information, feel free to contact us.